Hey guys, this is We Are Artsy, and today I'm going to be doing a balisong trick tutorial on the beginner trick called the Whirlwind. And this is by Senpai2296. It's a very easy trick for any kind of beginner that's just wants to learn how to do like any trick, you know. And I personally like it because of that fact. So I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow. So here is fast. So I just want to start by telling you guys that we're going to get a Benchmade knife soon. I know a lot of you have been commenting that we should because we're a professional channel now. So don't worry, we are going to get one. Another thing is, for now, we're going to be using CSGO knives and straight-handled knives as you saw in the beginning to show you both kind of knives in each trick. Also, there's a left-handed tutorial at the end of this, so if you're left-handed, I would skip to the end right now. So to start this trick, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. That's the one without the latch. And you're going to do so this trick is divided into two steps. The first one is the Basic Twirl, which is in the link above. It's one of my favorite tricks. And then the second is a thumb rollover. So I'll show you a small tutorial on the Basic Twirl. So the Basic Twirl, you're going to get the knife and you're going to go out like this. And you're going to take your index finger out and put it on top of the safe handle. Then you're going to flip the knife back onto your index finger. And then you're going to get this and see this motion between you're going to vertically point the knife this way down. And it's going to go down that direction. And you get your thumb and you swing it around. So you're going to be here. You're going to pivot the knife downward with using your middle finger and then your thumb, and then you're going to put it down and then up. Once you're in this position, you're going to go back to where you just were, like that. And you're going to, instead of going down with your thumb this time, you're going to do a thumb rollover. And you do that by going around like this, around your thumb, catching it on the bite handle, and doing a wrist pass to avoid hitting yourself. I'll show you the whole trick again. So you're going to start by doing the Basic Twirl. You're going to go out, over, and then around. Okay, so once you land in this position, you're going to go back to where you just were, and you're going to have your index finger here, your middle finger here. And instead of going down, you're going to go horizontally this way and do a thumb rollover and catch it right here. You catch it on the bite handle. And make sure, if you're using a real knife, make sure that you don't have the blade hit you on your knuckles right here. You're going to use the knife and you're going to do a wrist pass like this. So a wrist pass is, there's a tutorial above for the wrist pass. But it's meant to avoid hitting your hands when you have a real knife and you're doing a trick. But you end the trick like that. So I hope you like the trick. I'll show you it one more time fast. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a left-handed tutorial. And I'm not left-handed, so this might be not the greatest tutorial, but I'll try my best. So you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. That's the one without the latch. So this trick is divided into 3 steps. There's the Basic Twirl, a thumb rollover, and the wrist pass. And they're all in the links above. So I'll start off by doing the Basic Twirl. So what you do is you flick the knife out like this. You get your finger. You put it right there, your index finger. You flick back. And then you get these 2 fingers, your middle and your index, and you pivot the knife So it goes vertically down, and you get your thumb under there too, and then you have it go down and then up. So that's the basic twirl. That's one of my favorite tricks. It's super easy. So to do the rest of the trick, you're going to go back around like this to where you just were, and you're going to, instead of going down with the pivot, you're going to go horizontally, and I'm probably going to fail at this, but you're going to go around like this. Yeah, okay. So you're going to flick the knife up like that, and then you're going to make it go around your fingers, so it's doing a thumb rollover around. Sorry, I can't really show it fast. And then you're going to catch it on the bite handle like that, and you're going to do a wrist pass. Okay. And the wrist pass is meant to avoid hitting your hand. So you're going to do a wrist pass. Thanks for watching. We're going to be doing a giveaway soon, so tune in for that. It's probably going to be in 2 weeks. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.